Welcome. I am Sulochana, final MCOM. My topic is recent trends in derivative markets in India. Derivatives. A derivative is a financial product which has been derived from the market for another product. Its value is entirely derived from the value of the underlying asset. The underlying asset can be securities, commodities, bullion, currency, livestock, or anything else. Recent trends in derivative markets in India. FMC SEBI merger. The commodity future market in India was chiefly regulated by Forwards Market Commission. As of 2014, it regulated rupees 17 trillion worth of commodity traded in India. On 28th September 2015, the FMC was merged with the Securities and Exchange Board of India to make the regulations of commodity futures market strong. India decided to swim against the tide and merged two regulatory bodies instead of the traditional practice of creating a new one. This is the first major case of two regulators being merged. Next, mutual fund participation in commodity derivatives. To include institutional investors into exchange-traded commodity market, SEBI has allowed the participation of mutual funds in commodity derivatives like gold, crude, copper, silver, etc. Sensitive commodities like agri products, which are those subject to frequent government intervention, and the Essential Commodities Act are, however, excluded. Effective 2019, May 21, mutual funds can participate in gold derivatives only through gold exchange traded funds launched by asset management companies and in other commodity derivative through hybrid schemes which currently invest in equity, debt and gold. SEBI said in a circular on the same date. Reduction in penalty for abnormal traded. On December 13, 2018, both BSE and NSE issued a circular on abnormal or non-genuine transactions. They asked the trading members to refrain from practices leading to tax evasion and such, while stating that the decision of whether a trade is abnormal or non-genuine would rest with the exchange. The circular said that exchanges would levy on brokers 100% penalty of the traded value of abnormal trades executed on behalf of their clients. This sparked widespread protests among trade bodies. What has miffed brokers, though, is that exchanges have not defined what is abnormal traded. Physical settlement of stock derivatives. Prior to January 2019, in the futures and options market, the settlement was either on a cash basis or physical. Lion's shares of the settlements were cash basis. On the New Year's Day of 2019, SEBI issued a framework for making physical settlement of stock derivatives mandatory. This was done in a phased manner. Stocks which were being cash settled were ranked in a descending order based on daily market capitalization averaged for the month of December 2018. In each quarter of 2019, the bottom 50 stocks were moved to physical settlement. In 2019 January, SEBI flagged this off by moving 42 stocks. This move did not meet with major problems, and so the process continued. By October 2019, SEBI achieved the target of complete physical settlement of stock derivatives. This was carried out to curb excessive speculation and volatility in share prices. Next, increased trading hours for commodity derivative market. In December 2018, SEBI increased the trading time in the commodity derivatives market by an hour. The move was in line with the recommendation of Commodity Derivatives Advisory Committee. The objective of the change is to deepen to commodity derivatives market as well as to enhance the participation of stakeholders, including farmer producer organization and foreign entities. For non-agricultural commodities, the revised timings will be from 9 am to 11:55 pm, while for agricultural and agri-produced commodities, the trading hours will be from 9 am to 9 pm. Earlier, the SEBI has fixed the trading hours for non-agricultural commodities from 10 am to 11:55 pm, and for agricultural commodities it was 10 am to 9:30 pm. Launching of MCX-CCL, the Multi Commodity Exchange of India Limited, on 2018 August received the recognition from market regulator SEBI to launch operations of its wholly owned subsidiary, Multi Commodity Exchange Clearing Corporation Limited. It is the first clearing corporation in the commodity derivatives market. The clearing corporation provides collateral management and risk management services, along with the clearing the settlement of trades executed on the exchange. The European Securities and Markets Authority has granted recognition trades executed on the exchange to MCX-CCL as the third country CCP under European Market Institutional Infrastructure Regulations. Next, reducing dependence on LME. In 2013, Multi Commodity Exchange of India signed a license agreement with the London Metal Exchange, according to which MCX would use the current prevailing prices on the LME for settling future contracts. The exchange was paying high fees to LME and Chicago Mercantile Exchange for price discovery. This was because even those domestic companies that needed hedging staying away due to non-availability of local pricing. Here speculators were very much dominant. Next, India becomes largest derivative market by volume. India's National Stock Exchange has surpassed America's CME Group Inc. to become the world's largest derivatives brokers by volume. Mumbai-based NSE traded the most contracts in the world in 2019. The exchange said in a statement, citing data from the Future Industry Association. Volume on the Indian exchange grew 58% to about 6 billion derivative contracts in 2019, surpassing CME's 4.83 billion according to FIA website. In NSE, 5.96 volumes in 2019. CME Group 4.83 volumes in 2019. B3 3.88 billion contracts in volume in 2019. International exchange 2.23 billion contracts in 2019. Eurex 1.95 volumes in 2019. Next, artificial intelligence and derivatives. Artificial intelligence seems to have a finger in every pie these days. Financial markets are still dominated by humans, but it is soon set to change. Already, some of the big firms like Moneylife, JP Morgan, Bank of America, etc. utilizes artificial intelligence in a different manner. Even for complex derivatives, artificial intelligence can certainly provide some great value in terms of pricing, valuation, extracting information, etc. For example, there is a startup called Dot Financial Technologies, which is based in the US, that leverages artificial intelligence for derivatives trading and does some advanced risk checks to ensure that transactions are complying with the overall conduct, and also does some reporting activities. SEBI allows commodity options on spot prices. SEBI has allowed exchanges to launch option trading based on spot market prices and removed on major option of developing futures market. The market regulatory SEBI has also removed the minimum average daily volume criteria of a commodity in futures market to be eligible for launching options. Replacing MSP intervention. Option will reduce the risk for the hedgers. Options in agriculture commodities can prove to be an important tool to replace minimum support price intervention scheme of the government, he said. It will play a major role in stimulating agricultural marketing and enable farmer friendly options products, he added. NSE products. NSE offers a comprehensive and innovative product and service offering delivered through a vertically integrated business model supported by a robust risk management system framework. NSE is driven its commitment of a more inclusive and transparent market in its search for newer products and processes. It recognizes that technology forms the core of financial markets in driving greater transparency and is ever evolving. Though we launched the capital market segment on November 3rd, 1994, we continue to expand the range of products and services that we offer. The products of the exchange are organized into three asset classes for trading: capital market for the listing and trading of equities, fixed income securities, and the derivative market. Equity linked products available for trading in the cash market include stock, IDRs, ETFs, and units of closed-ended mutual fund schemes, as well as segmented devoted to the growth of the SMCs listed on emerge. Under the derivatives segment, NSE offers derivative contracts on equity, indices, currency, interest rates, and commodities. The fixed income securities and debt products include negotiated trade reporting in government securities, corporate bonds, and other debt securities traded on multiple platforms. Awards and recognition. In 2019-20, the first award is 2020 Best of the Best Award for being the Index Provider of the Year in India. 2020 Best of the Best Award for ETF Index Provider of the Year for India. World's largest derivative exchange in terms of contract traded. In 2018 to 90, India is getting awards. That is Innovative Practices Award 2018 on Sustainable Development Goals. Next, UN Global Compact Network India. CSR Times Awards for Best Project in Education under the Corporate Foundation category. In 2017-18, FICCI CSR Award for Explanatory Innovation. Capital Market Vision 2020 Best Stock Exchange of India. Next, 7th Annual Great Tech HR Award 2017. Next, Global Peacock Award for Corporate Social Responsibility. ET Now CSR Leadership Award. Green IT Award. India Achievers Awards 2018 NSE SME Driver of Entrepreneurship. Data Center Summit and Awards 2017 for Innovation. Architecting a Digital Transformation Journey. Ranked among India's top 50 companies to work for. Recognized for being among the best in India's financial services industry. These are the awards to India. Finally, powered by millions of dreams, hopes, and aspirations, India today is brimming with potential. At NSE, we are driven by this ambition that makes India charge ahead and take a more prominent place on the global stage. We aim to catalyze India's growth story by creating investment opportunities, enabling access, and empowering our stakeholders. We work harder, smarter, and faster to deliver impact across the investment ecosystem. In a world that changes shape by the second, we constantly reinvest ourselves to redefine the future. Our ambition gives us direction, it fuels and propels us. It is the leap we take from today towards a brighter tomorrow. Thank you.